Another frequently asked question is, what's the accommodation like? Where do we stay? So, I mean, these retreats originated from the first one, and what I did for that first one, when I had the idea, was to just go find a beautiful home, the kind of home that I would want to stay in if I was going down there for a retreat, and use that. And you know, the home that we've used the most is a beautiful place called Frog Choir. We don't always use that accommodation, but we use similar type homes. So it's very open, spacious, light, and nurturing. You know, and you feel that you're in somewhere really special. Basically, people walk in and go, "Wow, that's my kind of criteria for choosing a place." So, and the accommodation is either twin share or you can have double rooms. It depends on the retreat, and it depends on the you know, the configurations of people and how they come. So everyone is unique.